Riwruok mar Duol tich oganda e pacho ka Kenya Human Rights Commission dwaro mondo mi owit oko chenro mar hola mar Hasla Fund ka giwacho ni chenro no en ataro mar chik kendo oserem chopo singo mano chiw ne jopiny. Report maduol no chiwo tok nonro manotim maduol no wacho ni chenro no mar aguch omenda osebedo ka otenre weche mag siasa kendo oserem neno ne omenda ochopo ne jogo mowinjore ochopnegi.
You can't bow, it means you don't get development. I'm wired not to bow to nonsense. So you find that that's where the problem is. You have a funeral somewhere, the president attends, or a public event, they begin making mini budgets as the president is there. We require this, we require this, we require that. And these are MPs who have made a budget that the president has disregarded because he already has the money. He doesn't need the parliament. So you end up with an imperial presidency with a very, very what I would call, what's the name? Lapdog parliament. You have a and so, if we want to fix this thing, let us go back to the design of the constitution and begin by setting up an independent treasury. Take the power of the purse away from the president.
It's a flawed system. It's a flawed fund. Reasons have been outlined why it is flawed and why it is therefore unsustainable. And therefore we are not asking for it to be managed prudently. We are asking for the decommissioning of this fund.
Kwa the sekta mar somo en ng'ur omuoche kin jopuonj mapacho ka emana jumbe ariyo bang' duol mandiko jopuonje tich TSC kod jatend riwruog jopuonje Kupet keto winjruok mar medo